Alright, just got my new felling axe from Hults Bruk. I don't like that. $16.97, but what is this? Bet they didn't have that back in $16.97. I just ordered an axe. Caution, sharp object. Keep out of reach of children. I can't read right now. Do not force blade into sheath as damage or injury may occur. Ooh, didn't know that. It's good to know. Let's see what's in here. All right. Got a little book. I have to read through that and see what it says. I'll go through this later. With a few drinks in hand, I guess. Pretty cool though. It's always nice to have something that's hand forged and cared for. Nice little axe sheath. Actually, that's really cool. Nice thick leather. Move the box. Ooh, got a sticker. Look at that. I'm a big fan of stickers. Oh, where I'm gonna put it. Figure that one out. Let's see here. Nice mirror finish on the edge. Nice stamp. Nice forging marks. You can tell these things are forged by hand, which I'm okay with. It's a little rough there, but it's going to be used. It's actually going to be used this week to cut down a Christmas tree. What is this? Your safety goggles. Why do I gotta put that right on the handle? Just put another sticker. You know, stickers are easy to remove. Looks like handle everything is all, you know, hand sanded, wiped down with linseed oil. It's got a really good texture to it, actually. You could probably use a little bit more, finer sandpaper on it. Maybe take some of these burrs and things off. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a good, pretty good grain. You know, I like to have a grain that goes with the handle. It's got a little twist right here. That knot, that might be a problem later on down the road. They do have a pretty good warranty. I know my Hults Bruk Axe is a 10-year handle warranty on it. I'm going to have to look and see what the warranty is on this one. Let's see what this feels, how this is here. It's a decent edge. It could use some finishing. I mean, it's pretty sharp, mirror finish and everything, but can't shave with it. But then again, it's an axe. One thing I do want to do before I wrap this video up, I don't like that. I don't like it at all. But this is mine now. Let's see. Just going through some sandpaper here. Nice easy way to take this off. No, it's inked in there. It's deep. 600 grit's just not going to do it. It's a shame when you got to do this to a nearly $200 axe because they stamp on your handle. Like I said, put a sticker on the box. That's enough. It's really bringing out the grain though. It looks really nice. It's just gonna have to do. Finish you back up to 600. Alright, until next time when I'm cutting down a tree with it, I'm gonna finish this handle up a little bit, clean some of this up while I got everything going. Maybe add a touch of linseed oil back to it, and call her a day. Thanks for watching.